Here is how to stop accepting responses in a Google form. So let's get started. First, open the Google form in which you want to stop accepting responses, and then click on Published that's written on the top right. And on top, there's an option to stop accepting responses. So if you want to switch it off, just disable this. And as you can see, this form isn't accepting responses anymore. And if you want to change the message that the users see, then you can click on Edit. And here you can type the message you want the user to see when they try to fill in the form. And that's 2 new features which they've added. So if you enable this option again, and then if you click on Set Close Date or Response Limit, then this is a new feature that automatically stops responses based on either a certain date or after getting a certain number of responses. So in the first option, you can choose a date and time after which this form will not accept responses, or in the second option, you can just enter a number of responses after which this form will close and it won't accept more responses. But for now, if you just want to disable it, you can click on this and click on Save. And as you can see, this has come. This form isn't accepting responses. And to enable it again, you can follow the same steps. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some Google form trick, check out this video. Goodbye.